For today's video of how to guide, I'm simply going to show you how you can log in to your Plenty of Fish account. If you have created your account of Plenty of Fish or POF, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can successfully log into it. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end and let's get right into it. Now the first thing you'll need to do is open up your web browser and just search for pof.com. Once you do, it's going to take you to the official website of Plenty of Fish. Now to just log in to your account, you will see a sign in button on the top. Besides the help option, just click on the sign in option and it's going to take you to a login page. Now you just need to type in your credentials and log into your account. Firstly, start off by typing in your username or your email address that you used while signing up for Plenty of Fish. You can either type in your username or your email address. In the second box, you'll need to type in the password. If you don't remember your password, you can click on Forgot Your Password and follow the instructions that are given to successfully create and reset your password. Once you fill in both your username or email address and your password, click on Login and you'll be successfully logged in to your POF account. So that was a quick video on how to log in to your Plenty of Fish account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'm gonna be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.